What's up, guys? Today we're playing this game called Among Us, and Stella, the baby, is sleeping on me. If you don't know what Among Us is, it's this game where there's an imposter, and then there's crewmates. There can be 1, 2, or 3 imposters. And Stella might snore. Comment down below if you heard that snore. Okay, so I'm gonna press find game. Turn this 5 people. What the? Why is my skin purple? It's supposed to be. Oh, yeah. What the heck? No, I think it should be this. Got cut in half. Mason. This kid's name is Mason. My name's Ramen Boy. Da da da. Shh. Wait, am I? Oh, good. I wanted to be in a crewmate. So now there's 1 imposter. And I know where every single one is, and I don't know what to do because I just made a video and then I noticed that my microphone was off. So I had to make this video. Among Us, but we can't report dead body. I don't know if you guys watch somebody called Mal, but I have his notifications on and it just said Among Us, but we can't report dead bodies, and that's gonna be hard if he does that. Go subscribe to my 2 other friends' account. So one of them name is Brian Zim, no spaces, and Fuffy K. So, oh my god, dead body. But this kid's name is It. It sounds like he's It. So, oh baby, Stella. Go where? Why did this kid say go? Why is my kid's name is Soft? Blue. Yeah, I think that Mason is definitely it. That's Mason kid. Stella! Stella is so cute. You're so cute, baby. You're so cute. Almost everyone voted. Mrs. Bakugo. Mason is definitely this Mason kid. Aw, I thought it was. Stop. Oh, this is where the dead body was. That is literally the same body. Oh wait, no it's not. I swear, everyone's gonna vote me. I'm gonna say white in the chat because I think that's him. Imagine if I think No one's gonna believe me. Okay, I'm voting him. There's literally like a minute left to vote. And everybody's done voting. Is it the thing? Is the IT guy it? Oh my god. I feel like people are gonna think it's me because I have a knife in my head. Yeah, I use. Yes, let's go. Okay, guys, so that is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.